Sports Influencer of the Year 2024 are Apio, Gloria, Nicole, Dennis Maega, David Lomansi.
I'll keep it short and fast. Our winner is Apio. Nicole. Nicole name has been synonymous on the internet. But I hope you know the Nicole we are worried about.
I work with men, I stay with men 24/7, and I think right now I am the youngest female sports reporter. I would love to dedicate this award. I'm even sure to all the single mothers out there. My mother, she's watching this on YouTube.
Well, Apio Nicole, who hails from Acholi, who hails from Kitgum, a sport influencer or a sports reporter lady, has scooped an award for being the sports influencer of the year, the Pulsar Award, where she was nominated. She went through a lot of voting, and then finally she is the winner of the Pulse or the Pulse sport personality or sport influencer of the year. At first, she was nominated and the voting went through with she fought against Fat Cat podcast, which they had 1,148 votes, which is 1.07%. Then also Loom John 1.94%, 265 votes. Ismail Kiyonga with 226 votes and 3.11%. Then Dorian Alan Cheyo 510 votes, 3.73%. David Isabire 4.71%, 645 votes. Brian Kawalia 789 votes, making him 5.77%. Then Uganda Fan TV 1,482 votes and 10.83%. Dennis Mayega 1,613 votes and 11.79%. David Lumansi 3,379 votes and 24.69%. Then Apio, Gloria, Nicole 4,429 votes and 32.36%. That is what she got. Then when in the final two, Apio tied with David Lumansi. Apio was in the final two with David Lumansi with 3,462 votes, and the percent was 23.98%. And Apio, who was crowned the champion of that award, got 5,000 votes net with 34.63%. Congratulations to Apio. That is it. And it's not easy for somebody from northern Uganda to scoop an award at national level. So this is also a proof that PAL seems to be a very credible brand who can see, despite Apio being signed by one of the biggest company, that is NBA Sport. Congratulations to our dear sweet girl from Kitgum. Now I leave you with the life of Apio, Gloria, Nicole. Enjoy. A faction of another election for Wanyaje, which goes against engineer. This time around, this faction has held their election, and they voted in the favor of Ogwankul. So Lao votes their Wonyaji. Wonyaji is the same as the paramount chief of Lao. We must remember this position is not hereditary, but the current Wonyaji, Yusamudu, is not satisfied with the election, and he insists that he wants the son to be the one.
Good, and you?
You extend here, we talk. Just extend here, near me.
Alright.
No, you do it before, extend here. Because I'm the only black one. Because I'm the only black one. No, you do like this. Like this, and like this.
No, we don't know it.
You hold me. Viper's Villa.
Which first now?
You pick any you want. Me, I'm Viper's his Villa.
What the fuck?
Viper's Villa.
KCC.
Oh, you come back. You come back. Okay. KCC Chitara.
Pull.
No, it's not you.